Alright, Saturday evening weather update. Today was a beautiful day across New England with highs well up there into the 70s. Now this evening we do have a few showers and thunderstorms rumbling through the mid-Atlantic and the Appalachians, but that's just about it. You know, tomorrow, Sunday, is looking to be a beautiful day with highs well up there into the 70s. Through Sunday night, rain in the mid-Atlantic will be moving off the coast, but early Monday morning there is the potential that we do see a couple showers moving into New England. So there is an even better potential that the first half of Monday ends up being a little bit cloudy. The second half should be beautiful with highs in the 70s in eastern New England once again, upper 70s across northern New England. Can't complain about Tuesday because look at this, highs easily into the 80s for southern New England all the way up there. Even a 90-degree temp is not out of the question. 90-degree temps aren't out of the question either on Wednesday, and on Wednesday we could also be talking about a few thunderstorms. A couple could be severe, but we'll have details on that later, because right now there's an even more important story I'm watching, which is the tropical story about tropical weather. Right now we're looking at the satellite imagery. And what do you notice here? By the way, I don't know if you can notice, but this is Haiti, this is Dominican Republic, Puerto Rico, just for, you know, geographical reference here. Look what we're watching. This is Invest 90L. So this is beginning to be an area where we're watching a tropical disturbance. I'm sure you've heard about it, and we are going to be watching it over the next couple of days. We've been watching it for really a while, folks. And I know this sounds crazy, but I just think I swallowed a mosquito, because there's been a mosquito in here for a while, and I think I just swallowed one. But anyway, the video must go on. Look where most of the models bring our little Invest 90L. It brings it up in the general direction of North Carolina, maybe missing generally the Bahamas, although we could see a couple thunderstorms in the Bahamas. However, let's take a look at the Canadian model, which is of course run out of Canada. Let's take a look at the forecast by the time we get out to Sunday. Alright. I know we've already covered the forecast for New England, but I want to cover it here for the tropical weather. Sunday, what you're going to want to concentrate on is right up in here, right where you see this storm getting itself going. By the time we get out to Tuesday, it's moving in the general direction of North Carolina. Look how it hits North Carolina. By the time we get out to Wednesday into Thursday, we could be talking about some significant impacts, figuring out if it will hit North Carolina as a tropical system or as just a nor'easter or a subtropical system is not certain at this point, but it's likely that it hits it as a subtropical storm, which means that it will likely be named. And here's some of the model forecasts for how strong it can be, looking at generally tropical storm force winds around 30 to 40 miles an hour. Some of the model, like the GFDL model, brings it up very, very strong storm, almost 60, 70, approaching hurricane strength, but I don't think it should be anywhere near hurricane strength. But once this heads out, I think New England will be having a cold front on Thursday. Other than that, a huge ridge is going to be forming across a lot of the country. You can't even name a region. Most of the country will be in a big ridge of warming by the time we get to later next week. By the time we get to early the week after next, that's when we start to see the ridge breaking up as several troughs head south. You know, by then the forecast gets really uncertain. You know, it's all part of the ever-rotating cycle of weather, and I'll keep you updated on every rotation. See you guys later. It's Nick for the New England Weatherlife.ning.com.